Okay, this video is about the social proof pop-up. Have you ever seen that notification on pop-up sites saying so-and-so just purchased this such and such 15 minutes ago? In ClickFunnels, this is called the digital table rush. And if you have it enabled on your account, you can add that on any of your order form or upsell pages. So here's a website. I'm going to just refresh. And if you look in the lower left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the digital table rush pop-up that says Fred Flintstone from Torrance bought this very cool thing. So the way it works is you go to the website I'm All In, and you scroll down and click the button, click here to go all in now. This is $1,000 value in addition to being able to enable the digital table rush in your account. Once you go all in, you have access to these email sequences, the email follow-up sequences that Russell uses on his funnels. This is $1,000 value, and what Russell's paid tens of thousands of dollars to have somebody create the copy for these email sequences that you can have for free. So if you click any of these, they'll automatically upload into your account and their email sequences, so you look for them in Actionetics in Action Funnels. Okay, so you've got these free email sequences. Great, that's $1,000. Then on any order form or upsell page, you can click on the Publishing tab over here on the right, and there'll be a box here. This is my test account, so I don't have access to it, but there'll be a box here that says Enable Digital Table Rush, and then you too can have that social proof pop-up.